Question from GATE 2022 Electronics branch. So it says that consider the CMOS circuit shown in the figure. So this is the CMOS inverter circuit which is shown in figure. Then it says that the gate width to gate length of the transistor are shown. So this is a PMOS, its width W by L ratio is 5, and this is a PMOS, is W by L ratio is 1. Then it says that both the transistors have same gate oxide capacitance per unit area. Then it says that for the PMOS, the threshold voltage is -1 volt and mobility of hose is given as 40 cm square per volt second. Then for N MOSFET, threshold voltage is given as 1 volt and mobility of electrons is given as 300 cm square per volt second. So we have to find this steady output state voltage V0, and options are given are equal to 0 volt, more than 2 volt, less than 2 volt, equal to 2 volt. So this question is from GATE 2022 Electronics branch. So we can see that this is P MOSFET, so its gate and drain are shorted. Then for this NMOS also, the gate and drain are shorted, so both will be in saturation, because when the MOSFETs the drain and gate of MOSFET is shorted, then it is in saturation. Then both these MOSFETs are connected in series, so their currents will be equal. So we can equate their current. So IDSN equal to IDSP. So we can equate both the currents. So mu n COX upon 2 W by L for N into VGSN minus VTN square equal to mu P COX upon 2 W by L of P VSGP minus VTP square. So COX are both it is given that the gate oxide capacitances of both transistor are same, so we can cancel COX on both sides. Then mu n is given as 40, mu p is given as 40, mu n is given as 300 cm square. So we can put the values. VTN is given as 1, VSGP will be 4 minus V0, because gate is connected to V0 and source is connected to 4 volt. Then VGSN will be equal to V0, because source is grounded and gate is connected to V0, and mod of VTP will be 1 volt. So if we solve it, we will get a quadratic equation. So when we find the value of this quadratic equation, then V0 will be equal to 1.89 volt and minus 7.89 volt. But V0 cannot be negative, because the output of inverter will be between 0 and VDD, because this is an inverter, so its output will be between 0 and VDD. So the option which will be correct will be less than 2 volt. So this is the answer. Thank you.